Hey folks, so I don't normally do like a video blog. I'm not really like a big video blog kind of guy, but I've got a couple of announcements that I want to share with you. So here we go. All right, so the first thing I want to share with all of you is that for this summer, by the way, today's date is May 28th, happy Memorial Day of 2018. Between now and September, Tech Talk America is going to go on what I'm going to refer to as our summer break schedule. And so basically, I'm going to still make videos for all of you to enjoy. It's just going to not be quite as frequent as it always has been. I've been doing it every single week for over 4 years now. Actually, no, God, I think it's like 7 years. Wow. Crazy. But anyways, this summer I'm going to go more to like every other week. So if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, this is the perfect reason to do that. That way you find out when I do come out with new content. Now, here's the reason why. So at this point, this is a little strange for me. I kind of have to introduce one audience of mine to the other audience. So Tech Talk America audience, about 4 years ago, I started playing with using a combination of drones, steady cams, using at the time my iPhone, and then eventually I upgraded to a much better camera, lip syncing, choreography, and I used all of these things to capture some of the events that go on where I live. Now, for those of you who don't know, I live in Provincetown, Massachusetts, which is the very tip of Cape Cod. We are known as being a very colorful community. And I think that pretty much appropriately sums it up. So years ago, I started making these basically massive music videos that would just involve me working with hundreds to sometimes thousands of people and teaching them how to like lip sync a line or do a simple dance move or something like that on camera. And then basically I lock myself in my little editing suite here, which is the computer you see behind me, and just edit like a crazy person for about 9 hours straight. And then typically the next day or soon after, I come out with the whole big music video production and everyone sees themselves in it. And it's this just giant production. They don't come out every single week. They do based on whatever theme week is going on here. That's one of the little weird things. We have different theme weeks. So you'll have like one group of people arrive one week and then the next week the town just looks completely different. So definitely something for everyone here. So like I said, I'm going to still do videos for all of you to enjoy, but if you want to check out those videos, here's the thing. So Tech Talk America is a YouTube brand. Droning Provincetown is primarily a Facebook brand. But the other place that you can always go to check it out, especially the past videos, is I put together just a very simple website that has everything all on one page. So if you want to check that out, that website is droningprovincetown.com. But you can also, if you want, follow me on Instagram. I've been doing a lot more Instagram lately with my Droning Provincetown brand than I have with Tech Talk America. So if you like photography from above, just kind of a unique perspective of the world, I invite you to follow me. So I also wanted to say a little shout out and thank you to some of the Mac user groups that are out there. For those of you who don't know, Mac user groups, or MUGs, have been around for decades at this point. And these just basically are little groups that are in different communities all over the world. And for people out there who want to learn how to better use their Mac, it's an opportunity to get in a room with other people at different stages of learning and get some questions answered. So the different Mac user groups that are out there, a lot of them already know this. I've done public speaking at a lot of them before. It's something I definitely enjoy doing. I want to say a little thank you to, I get some interesting thank you gifts from fans. So I want to say a big thank you to the Silicon Mountain Mac user group, as I move my fingers away there. Also, I'm not wearing it because, guys, unfortunately, it's like pajama sized on me. But I want to say a big thank you to the Washington Pi Apple user group. So anyways, if you belong to one of these organizations, leave some information in the comments below, or maybe even better yet, message me through Facebook, through Tech Talk America, and I'll do my best to see if I can lend my time to help you guys out. So thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this little video blog, which I don't normally do. I don't know, maybe leave me a comment if you want me to do more of them. That would be easy, wouldn't it? Just sit in front of a camera and talk. I can do that. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you all have a wonderful summer. I will be back in a couple of weeks with my next Tech Talk America video. And in the meantime, I hope you'll check out my videos over on droning Provincetown. Take care, everyone. Have a great summer. Bye-bye.